Dog's bark sends leopard packing. Hilarious video has internet rolling. Watching the video, a leopard can be seen stealthily entering a house and approaching the stairs when, suddenly, a dog hiding nearby leaps out, barking loudly. Startled and frightened, the leopard jumps back and bolts out of the house without hesitation. Nature sometimes presents scenes that not only shock but also provoke laughter. Both leopards and dogs are renowned hunters and protectors within their realms, but when these two come face to face, the outcome can be amusing. A recent video of a leopard straying into a settlement and being startled by a dog's bark has gone viral. As the leopard moves forward, a dog present does something unexpected, causing the leopard to flee. This video was shared on Instagram by the Ranthambore National Park page Ranthamboresum and has been viewed over 35 lakh times. In the video, a leopard can be seen stealthily entering a house and approaching the stairs when, suddenly, a dog hiding nearby leaps out, barking loudly. Startled and frightened, the leopard jumps back and bolts out of the house without hesitation. The leopard's terrified jump at the sight of the dog amused internet users. As soon as the video went viral, people began reacting enthusiastically. One user commented, "This dog is now the hero of his neighborhood gang." Another said, "The dog took full advantage of the surprise element." Meanwhile, someone else wrote, "If the leopard had seen where the sound was coming from first, that dog wouldn't be alive now." Another person joked, "The leopard ran without looking back, like a student late for school." Interestingly, similar videos have surfaced before, showing small dogs surprising or chasing away large wild animals. This clearly demonstrates that it's not size, but courage that matters. Nan.